there! In this video, I will show you how to use the conditional checkout for WooCommerce plugin to control payment methods and shipping methods at checkout page. We'll create real rules and then set them directly on the checkout page so you can clearly see how everything works. After activating the plugin, go to WooCommerce Settings, Conditional Checkout. You'll see several tabs here. In this video, we'll focus on payments and shipping methods. All rules in this plugin work the same way. If conditions are met, then action is applied. Let's start with conditional payments. Control which payment methods are shown or hidden at checkout based on conditions such as order total, country, products or user role. Use case: hide cash on delivery for high-value orders. First, enable the rule. In the description, I will enter hide COD for high-value orders. For action, select hide. In targets, choose cash on delivery. Keep the operator as end. Now add a condition, select order total, choose greater than. Enter $200, click Save Rule. Now let's go back to the checkout page and test this rule. With an order total below $200, you can see that cash on delivery is available. I will now increase the cart total and refresh the checkout page. As you can see, cash on delivery is no longer visible, while other payment methods remain unchanged. This confirms that the conditional payment rule is working correctly. So now move on to conditional shipping methods. Show or hide shipping methods dynamically based on cart value, products, or customer location. Use case: show free shipping for orders over $100. Click Add New Rule. Enable the rule. Enter the description: enable free shipping for orders over $100. For action, select Show. In targets, select free shipping. Add a condition: order total greater than $100. Click Save Rule. Now let's test the shipping method on the checkout page. When the order total is below $100, free shipping is not displayed. I will increase the cart total again and reload the page. As you can see, free shipping appears automatically while other shipping methods remain available. That's how you can control payment methods and shipping methods. In the next video, we'll cover shipping destination and billing and shipping fields. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.